Y'all, what's going on? What's going on, man? It's your boy Industrial Dave, and today, listen, you see it, you see the title of the video, Generational Wealth. That is what we're talking about today, okay? We're gonna be getting into real estate. I got courses on real estate. We're gonna be talking about building up your credit and credit repair and breaking these generational wealth curses. Hey, y'all with me, right? Are y'all, where my button at, man? Are y'all tired of I am so sick and tired of these YouTube videos talking about real estate, generational this, getting out of debt, building credit cards, man. Listen, a wise man once told me, a man with no bills is a rich man. That stuck with me. And all this financial freedom bull crap, I don't even have the words for this, y'all. Just listen to me, man. You want to know how to get out of debt? You want to get into a house? Get your credit score up? All this stuff? I got a course for you. It's called Stop Buying Shit. That's it. Just stop. It's not magic. You eating fast food every single day, DoorDash. Like, I really didn't know. You are paying someone to bring you food. Like, literally. Now, if you can afford it, hey, that's all you. It's frivolous spending, all right? I used to work on a railroad, right? I was running a 4B, so basically I was clearing trains, right? So I had this section that was about, I think it was about 3 miles long, and my job was I had men working within these 3 miles. So before the train would come within these 3 miles, they would call me on the radio, and I would have to repeat back, yeah, you're clear to come in my limits in 1 8-hour shift. I cleared anywhere from 9,000 to 12,000 foot double stacked trains going east and west, just full of it. 87 pair of shoes, 97 shirts, all kind of clothes and jeans, trinkets, bottles, just stuff everywhere. And you wonder why you can't break your generational wealth curse. Y'all got stuff everywhere. How many times are you gonna go Black Friday shopping? So you mean to tell me you gonna go to the Memorial Day weekend sale? You gonna go to the 4th of July sale? You gonna go to the Black Friday sale, the Christmas sale, the New Year's sale, the Valentine's Day sale, the President's Day? Come on, every time there's a sale, you're gonna fall for it. And that's just the crap. Yeah, the rent is high. We know that. You want to add a car note to that? For what? Just to impress a bunch of broke people? And then on top of that, y'all be buying bullshit cars. Listen, man, my first car, granted, I had the privy of being in the union when I was 18 years old. I was a welder. I had a bomb-ass job. I put down $2,500 on a 2005. It was 2008 when I bought it. I put down $2,500 on a 2005 Bonneville GXP. It was the top of the line model. Front wheel drive, V8, leather and suede interior, carbon fiber interior, heads up display, sunroof, heated seats, 6-disc CD changer in the trunk. I can't believe I just said that. Oh my God. Yeah, that was the thing. Yeah, CD. Tinted windows, dual exhaust. Man, that was a fly ride. Automatic window, automatic everything, dual automatic seats, all that, all the trimmings and fixings. My car note was $450 a month. And back in 2008, like, I was 18 years old. To pay $450 a month for a car was like, what? Like, what are you doing? Like, really? Okay, like, damn. And y'all people out there paying $600 and $700 for something with cloth interior? Ain't even fast, not even sporty, don't even got a spoiler on it, hood scoop, no nothing. And you paying $600 for that? Y'all gotta stop spending money. That's what it is. Get your bills down. You're making payments on a cell phone. Like, think about that. $40 a month for a cell phone. You know, you can't help your car insurance. You know, you're gonna have to pay for that. And then on top of you paying $600 a month for your weak ass car, now you gotta pay the car insurance for it, $200. A lot of y'all can't drive, so y'all car insurance high. $300 a month for it. If you got something nice, that means you paying $900 to $1,200 a month just for your car. That's just for your car. And you wonder why you ain't got no money to do this and do that. And y'all fall for everything that y'all see on the internet. Vacations here and there. Do you understand what I'm saying? Y'all paying monthly for vacations? Monthly. You gotta come back and go to work and then keep paying for your vacay after you already left. Y'all complaining, oh, it's so high. I can't afford, I can't. Look, I want y'all to look at these videos. Look at these videos online of everybody who's complaining. One, you ain't never seen no blue collar oil refinery nuclear power plant having ass people complain, first of all, because they got it. We got it. But look at the people that's complaining about this stuff. Women complaining about this. They got their nails done. They got weave in their head, talking about everything's expensive. Same thing with the dudes. They're doing the same thing, complaining about it, rolling around with their $800 car note, $230 shoes on, and as if they got it from the store. Really? You go spend $23 on Chick-fil-A 4 times a week? Wonder why you broke? You gonna live with your mother? Listen, man, I'm not fake, y'all. I'm gonna lay it out for you. I make $4,000 a month. That's it. Yeah, I'm upset. You know, I screwed my life up a little bit. I should have had a house by now. 34 years old. Don't have a house, but I'm doing the best I can. You know, I'm not gonna get on here and cry about it and complain and all that stuff. You know, my rent's high. 48% of my income every month is automatically gone. But I make do what it is. You know, I'm being funny, but trying to make light of the situation. You don't have to do everything under the sun. That's a lot of y'all problem. Y'all feel like y'all gonna miss something. Oh, you gotta go to this concert. You gotta go to this movie. You gotta do this. You gotta do that. With you wanting to have everything right now, you're gonna pay for it. Everything that you want fast, you're gonna have to pay for it. Everybody, y'all just gotta have it now. Gotta have it now. You don't want to listen to the YouTube commercials. It's messing up my vibe. I ain't got time for that. Well, you know what? Go ahead. Pay your $15 a month. It's a damn shame. That is crazy to me. But you know what? That's what makes the world go round. We're all adults. Young people out there, older people, whatever, want to blame everybody else. My rent's too high. The groceries. You got to suck it up. Financial freedom? It's not going to happen. There's no such thing as financial freedom. You're always going to have bills. The best thing that you can do to get your financial freedom is figure it out. Stop spending so much money on everything. You don't have to eat 85,000 times a day. Go to the grocery store, start cooking, maybe fasting. I don't know your wallets out there. Figure it out. Start drinking water. Fool yourself into thinking you're full. I don't get it, man. You don't need credit if you got the cash, period. Cash is king. But nope, you want to use your credit card because you getting airline miles. Like, you gonna fall for that? I'm not gonna get in y'all too much, okay? Spend less money. Stop eating out. You know, have fun. You know, there's different ways you can figure it out. You know, go for a walk, go outside. You're gonna have to do some free stuff. But you don't have to. You don't have to do anything free. You can keep spending money. You are an adult and you are free to live your life however you want to. That's why they call it adulting. You get what I'm saying? Every action has a reaction. Everything has got a consequence, good or bad. It's up to you to figure it out. Hope you like my tips on real estate and financial freedom and breaking your generational curse, man. Hey, listen, y'all leave some comments for me, man. It's your boy Industrial Dave. Y'all, man, stop spending so much damn money. Have an industrious day, man. Oh, dude.